Hi everybody, this is Sir back another day with another unboxing. But I'm not gonna bore you with the unboxing part. I'm gonna be fast with this because I know that the part that you are interested in is what I think about the product. This is a beard trimmer from Braun. This was the second to the most expensive one. The most expensive one were just the same, but it had two more accessories. I think the accessory that this one doesn't have, that the most expensive one had, were something about shaving your body. And I don't shave my body, so that's okay with me. And as you can see, I haven't bothered too much about my beard in these corona times. I usually fix it myself every week, and then when I have something special to go to, I go to a barbershop. And I usually color my beard. You can see now it's very gray, but I haven't done anything in a while. But I feel that the trimmer that I have today, the battery is getting kind of tired. And I used to have three trimmers, one for the head, one for the beard, and one for the edges where I want it to be very tight. So first of all, I'm very glad that it is so small. It is a beard trimmer, but I'm pretty sure that I can use it for my head as well. I'm going to show you the other one that I have. The other one is really large. And let's see. There are a bunch of accessories here. A standard shaver. The standing charger. The cheaper model doesn't have the standing dock, only the charging cable. Probably a travel pack. And here we have what's interesting to me. We have one for shaving and one for the edges to cut close. And this is what I wanted because I shave in the inside of the mustache, the outside of the lips, and this is probably going to be great for that. So I'm going to try it. No batteries at all. So charge it, trim my beard. I'm thinking of trimming it down a lot. I don't know. And let my hair grow for another day and then shave my head with it. And then I'm going to show you the one that I have today that is really big. So I like it. It feels nice in my hand. And that should be it with the unboxing part that you are not interested in. So charge it, shave, and let you know what I think about it. Okay, so my first impressions aren't great. As I said, I like the size, a lot smaller than the other one that I have. But I feel that it's not strong enough, not sharp enough, and it doesn't shave close enough either. But I guess that was the accessories is for. But with this one, I can take the edges and make a sharp line. With this one, I can't. So you see above this line is really not close enough. And when I want to take the edges, it doesn't take everything in one cut like this one do. So with this one, you have to be very sturdy in your hands and know what to do. With this one, you can make mistakes. So at the moment, I feel like this is the one I'm still going to use, my old one, Remington. And this one is good for like vacations. But I'm gonna try the accessories as well, of course. But so far, it's not sharp enough. It doesn't cut close to the skin enough. and I don't know, I'm a bit afraid that it won't be strong enough to take the hair off my head, but we'll see. To be fair, it all depends on what you are used to. I never use the accessories, I only do freehand. And with this one, I feel like you're supposed to use the accessories. And about the clean cut edges, yes, you get a razor, a standard razor with the kit. So with this one, you're supposed to use all the accessories to get the beard as you want. But if you are used to having a beard and taking care of your beard yourself, I only use freehand. I do everything with this, the edges, the cuts, the shape, everything, used by hand and with this one. So with this one, use the accessories, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Sorry, once again, it just isn't sharp enough. I have the, this thing, this accessory, and I just wanna take the mustache, but it folds up the mustache instead of cutting it. So I have to do it several times for it to cut the mustache. So sorry, it's not clean, it's not strong enough, it's not sharp enough. I don't feel like there is anything more to say, but I'm gonna do the complete beard and the head with it, and then do a final summation about it. But not sharp enough, not strong enough. The small blades were great. They actually were really great. I wish the whole trimmer, the big blade, were sharp like this one. I could shave my whole beard with this one, but it's too small. But this was sharp. This was great. I think this is enough actually for a review. It does the job, as you can see, but it takes too long. It takes longer than I'm used to because I have to take everything like 5 times instead of once. With the accessories on, with this one, it's even worse. So for me, freehand is my thing. The accessory that takes the edges, it was good. It was really sharp. But if you don't have a beard trimmer, Corona times, you haven't done this before yourself, then it's fine. But if you used to, you had a great trimmer before, and you shape your shave freehand, it doesn't cut it. Very suitable saying. Positive things is small, is lightweight, it charges very fast. I think fully charged in an hour, and you can quick charge it in like 5 minutes or something. For a traveling companion, having with me on vacations, that would do the job. That would be just fine. I still haven't shaved my head. I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to do that. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. So another update after me shaving my head. Lightweight, nice to have in your hand, accessories, but it's not sharp enough, it's not strong enough. But as you can see, I'm happy with the beard. It does the job. It just takes longer than I'm used to, and I get a bit frustrated and irritated when I have to take the same line over and over again. So a final update after shaving my head. I'm a bit worried that it won't do the job. So final summation about the Braun Beard Trimmer 7. I'll try to shave my head with it. I could have done it, but it would take me like 3 times longer than it usually does with my other trimmer. I tried my old trimmer again, and it's just you can't even hear when it cuts. It only cuts. It's super great. This one is not, so I would not recommend it. The only positive thing with it is that the razors are so dull, so you can shave your privates with it without cutting. I haven't been able to done that with any other trimmer. So yeah, that's the positive thing. So for the beard, if you're not used to trimming your beard yourself, fine, okay. But otherwise, no. Braun Beard Trimmer 7, I think it has another name, BT7220. Not for me at least. So would not recommend. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Just ask me. Have a nice one.